Samsung Galaxy A06 launches with 6.7-inch display. Samsung released its new smartphone, Samsung Galaxy A06, in Vietnam on August 16th. The smartphone features a panel design relatable to the older model, the Samsung Galaxy A05, with a vertical pinstripe finish. However, unlike the older model, the Galaxy A06 has a key island bump on the right edge that sports the volume rocker and power button. This key island feature was previously appeared on the Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35. The Samsung Galaxy A06 is available at Vietnamese dong 3,190,000 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant, while the 6GB RAM with 128GB storage version costs 3,790,000 Vietnamese dongs, approximately 10,700 Indian rupees and 12,700 Indian rupees respectively. The South Korean tech giant said the handset will go on sale in Vietnam starting August 22nd. However, the company hasn't yet announced if the phone will launch in India. Customers purchasing the Samsung Galaxy A06 between August 22nd and September 30th in Vietnam will be gifted a free 25-watt charger. Samsung Galaxy A06 features a 6.7-inch HD Plus screen with a 60Hz refresh rate and a water drop notch for the front camera. The phone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G85 chipset with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. The storage can be extended to 1TB through a micro SD card. The Galaxy A06 version runs on Android 14, based One UI 6, and is set to receive 2 major Android updates and 4 years of security upgrades. It is to be noted that the phone is equipped with the Samsung Knox Vault security system. The Samsung Galaxy A06 has a dual rear camera setup, having a 50-megapixel primary sensor. The smartphone boasts a 5,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt wired fast charging. It carries a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security.